So this lead code questions single number. Okay, so they have given a non-empty array of integers. Okay, and what other thing they have given, like every element appears twice except for one. Okay, and find that single one. Okay, so they are saying is every element is appears two times, but there is one number which appears one time, a single time, that is unique. So we have to find the unique element in an array. Okay, so another note they have given is your algorithm should have a linear runtime time complexity. Okay, could you implement it without using extra memory? Okay, so like this they will give us a input integer array. Okay, and we have to find the unique element. Okay, so like this here we have a unique element 4. Okay, so we will discuss many approaches to solve this problem. Okay, so this is a very good interview question. Okay, so firstly if I'll use the Java language, means we have a hash set is there, right? So yes, I can use this hash set also, right? Because I know miss every element appears twice, right? So I can add elements in a hash set. Whenever I got the repeated element, I will remove that element, and at the end I will left with only one element, right? Which will be the unique element. So in this way also miss I can solve this problem, or other way miss I can use the hash map, right? In hash map means I will maintain the count of the elements, right? Like this means if I take the this input. Okay, so for this input, okay, the map will be look like this. The key will be the this element, and the value will be its count, right? So for two means we have a two elements, right? And for one we have one element. And after iterating the map, I will get to know means wherever we have a one value means that is the unique one that we have to return, right? So in this case, for if I'll take this as an input, right? Okay, so for two we have two values, right? For one also we have two values, and for four we have one, right? So we will return a 4 in this case. Okay, so okay, so these are also the algorithms which we are which have time complexity, linear time complexity, but we are using the extra space, right? Because we are declaring the hash set and hash map, so which is also will take space, right? But they have given us to we have to implement without using the extra memory, right? So okay, so for that means we have one more concept. Okay, XOR. Okay, so in XORing, we call it XORing. Okay, so what this concept is, so we know that means okay, so I'll give you one example. Okay, for 5. Okay, so this is the memory representation. Okay, so how can we represent 5? Okay, so one, so we can represent like 1 0. So we have to start from the right hand side, right? 1 0. So this is binary representation of 5. Okay, and if we have a 4, okay, if we have a 4, then its binary representation will be like mm, 0 1 0 0. Okay, so for XOR of this will be 0 0 0 and 1. So this will be the XOR, right? So this means is whenever we got the alternate bits, then it will give us a set bit is the output will be the 1. Okay, so same concept we will use in case of array elements, right? So suppose means if we have a 2, if I will take the example of this input, first input, so here we have a 2, here we have a 2 element 2 times, right? So when I will do the XOR of 2 2, so it will give us a 0, right? So this concept I will use. I will XOR all the elements, and but till the end I will left with only the unique element. I'll show you how. So declare one variable for XORing, okay, and I will iterate. I will use a loop to iterate over the array, okay. Till length I will iterate, okay. Here plus plus, and here I will do the XOR operation. Actually we have a num, okay, so that's it I think. So straight away I will return the XOR. Okay, so because in case of this output the 2 XOR 2 will be 0 and I will left with only 1. So here in this case, firstly I will add the 4 into this XOR. 0 XOR 4 will be 4, okay. After that 1 I will again do the 2 1 boom, this will becomes a 0, I will left with only 4, okay. So if you run this program, yeah, you can see it is accepted. Here also you can see 100%, yeah, all the things are accepted, okay. So for any query please do comment, yeah. So thanks guys.